When the contractor takes the motor out of the box, they will have 3 harnesses. The first one has the speed taps, horsepower leads. Contractor will install those, that set of leads, that harness. Next, they will have a harness with a neutral and ground wire. This will be used to set the rotation. To set the rotation, the contractor will align the neutral wire counter for clockwise. If they need to switch the rotation, they pull that out, flip it over, align the neutral wire with counterclockwise. Next, the contractor will need to set the voltage. This is a dual voltage motor. The motor comes to them 230 volt. To convert that to 115 volt, contractor will pull this jumper off the motor, take it out of the bag, open this door here, and insert the jumper. They should tear off this door because it does say 230 volt on it, but now this motor is set up for 115 volt. If the system does not have a continuous fan, they will use this Y adapter that will tie into the door switch and then to the continuous fan lead.